Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Dell Latitude 7340? Well, today I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Next, unscrew and remove the solid-state drive cover. Then unscrew and remove the solid-state drive. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the antenna cables. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Next, unscrew and remove the battery. Now disconnect the speakers. Now unscrew and remove the wireless bracket and disconnect the cooling fan cable. Now unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the bracket that secures the LCD cables. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Now unclip the locking tab and then disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the USH cable. Next, disconnect the power button. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.